Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we want to talk on how to download Adobe Photoshop for free for use. So when you want to download Adobe Photoshop free for use, first of all go to the website, go to your browser. Let's go together. Let's go to your browser and search Adobe Photoshop. Just search Adobe Photoshop. So after you have searched Adobe Photoshop, you may try to download, but before you download, you have to create Adobe Photoshop creative account. So you will be requested to sign in Adobe Creative account. So sign in Adobe Creative account. By signing in, use your email and sign in. Remember, we want to download it for free. So before any other thing, so just sign in Adobe Creative account. So after signing in Adobe Creative account, choose your subscription or trial. Since we want it for free for some times, navigate to the plans. Yeah, Adobe Creative account have different plans. So you can start paying or you can use free trial. So we want to use free trial for at least 7 days before paying. So at least 7 days before paying, or you can also cancel anytime you want. You can also cancel anytime you want. So for free to use, select free trial, select free trial. Then in the Adobe Creative account, after choosing your plan, you'll need to download Creative account to your desktop. Creative account. Create Adobe Creative account to your desktop, which manage all your Adobe application. All your app will be managed by Adobe Creative account. So I'll kindly request you to download Adobe Creative account. Then after that, once the Creative account is installed, open it and find Photoshop in the application section. So in the application section is where you are going to find Adobe Photoshop. All the Adobes you may need. We call it a creative account, we call it Adobe Master Collection. It has all the Adobe. So since we want Adobe Photoshop, after installing the creative account, Creative Cloud, install Photoshop. Then open. After installation is complete, you can open Photoshop by clicking on its icon or find it in the Creative Account app.